Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And Dr. T says we might get a slight increase in propagation. See the solar flux numbers going from the 60s to the 70s this weekend. Let me let you listen for a few seconds.
That is rotating into Earth view. It is not an M-flare player, so we don't have any risk for radio blackouts, which should make amateur radio operators and GPS users very happy. On the other side, it is strong enough to boost the solar flux. NOAA is thinking that we're going to go into marginal propagation conditions again, starting in a few days as that solar flux continues to.
So she's saying that the solar flux will come up, which helps propagation, which improves shortwave listening. Go to her YouTube channel. This is her channel name right down here. I'll put a link to this show in the description of my show, so you can go there and watch and listen to the whole show. Again, this is what I call Dr. T. She gives us reports about solar conditions which affect amateur radio operators and shortwave listeners. Have a great day. Bye-bye.